Indina Kosachi mi punvialte na ED collections, fashions and accessories nan kut kanin tlain ha atu kan umnak dor he ED collection, fashions and accessory dor ase hi ka dor he til dor ase January talk in kan rock on ase changna te in COVID-19 ruangah chikhatte chu dor bun khar ase atu chu official tatak in dor phun ase chang hi kam huna hin chanthar Mino zong ni se second nu lakam pa zong ne an warmi til phun atling di angki bongbi skirt tai som back tabantuk tumbul tabantuk adang velte zong akasato naklen te chel na velte zong atling di hi kam huna hin rokan leng chiao te utia kanin som na hi ka dor kay mapumpak en ka war kun nak big arwang cho chill apun atling katabantuk in kan pum nak cha dong sa special events kal nak ding cha summer cha tabantuk kan chill atling di nu cha talo pa cha talo azapi te na di chun hi ka shuk mi zong he hi ka dor ta he ase atu liu he discount an to liu ase no panha pol flat shoes pol hi kamuna an lang kau he makavel alang mi velte he nu cha 30% an sidi chun pa ke den pol cho 30% an se chun nu cha thil pon velte cho 10 20 30 40 50% tiang discount ume ara ulana adi chon la cha chun nan za pite in hi kamuna rakra ding kan som na ED collections and business hours so zinka simulam pasha in zan simulam pakwat yang salai nikhat ni in zartani tiang door and on chun address so 7225 US 31 Suite B Indianapolis Indiana 46227 salai beholding tabantuk nan ngai swala chun 317 202 5171 contact ko kan salai kanalom
Hello, my name is Zuam. I am currently in the ED collection, fashion and accessories. And in this store, you can find a wide variety of things for children, teens, and even for moms and dads. And this store has been open since January 1st, but due to the COVID-19 concern, it has been closed, but now it's officially opened again. And for the guys, they also have more than just sport clothes. They also have summer clothes. They also have church clothes, church shoes. For the ladies, they have a wide variety of things from shoes to belts to bags to coats, jackets, you name it. And for special occasions, they have blazers such as this I'm wearing right now. They also have a dress shirt and many more like these. And they also have pants, and there are many more coming in. And they also have shoes like this and many more, as you can see right behind me. And they also have accessories for the guys, watches. In the future, they also have necklace and other jewelry that are coming in. At ED Collection, there's currently a huge sale going on regarding male and female shoes. There's 30% discount, and depending on the clothes that you buy, there is 10 up to 50% discount. And they also have many other accessories like this headphone that is wireless, and it's also waterproof. And they also have other things like handkerchiefs and many more to come in the future. And the location for ED Collection is at 7225 US 31 Suite B. Thank you very much.